Hello, everyone. Today we go for the chapter 4 and the section 4.1, probability basic, probability experience, a change process that lead to well-defined result called outcome. When we roll a dice, or we can flip a coin, or we can do with the lottery or lotto. Um, Now for the second one, we get the sample space, the set of possible outcome, even for the dice, from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or we can even flip the coin, even head or tail. And the third one is the outcome, the result single trial probability experience. So get is the fourth. And event. Um, Set outcome of a probability is experiment. I get even numbers and get an odd number, and also we have a two two outcome for when we flip in the coin, or two events. So right here, like we flip in the coin, this one we can possible for two outcomes. And probability type. Um, empirical probabilities. So this one based on experiment. So this one is time consumed. So this time consumed. Like for example, is the LA they like the chocolate. Like everybody love the chocolate. So even the frequency events E, and the number of trials. So this one is 600 and the number of trial is 1000. So this one we can say 0.6, or we have 60% of this. Um, so subjective probability can be a very biased, uh, based of individual past experience rather than um, computation or gut interesting. So classical probability equal like the outcome. So even we can say head or tail, or when we roll the die, even 1 or 6. So we have a P E equal N of E. So this one is N of E. This one is number of outcome in event E. And N of S, this one is number in the sample space. For example, so we can get E is getting an event, or even number like 2, 4, 6. Um, if the even number 2, 4, 6, so this one 3, so 3, we have changed 3, so 3 out of 6, so this one is 100. So we have a property of experiment. a family decide to have three children. So for example, a boy and a girl, so we can have uh one boy and a boy. So we can have we can list out like boy one, B1, B2, B3, B1, B2. So right here, so this, or this, 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 or this. So it's good 3 and B1, good 2. So we get this, this, even this, and this. And B3 and B1, G2, and G3. So for this, we can that one, or we can have the girls. So girl, we can go in here, over here, or go right here, right here, or go right here. So we got good 1, B2, good 3, and uh, should be B. So B2 and B3, and good 1, B2, and good 3, good 1, good 2, B3, good 1, G2, and G3. So should be probably should be we can have B1, year 2, and year 3. So even it's a probably if we have that, so and we have this, and we have this. So this total of this one, so we can say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, so 8. So this one is 8 outcome. 8 outcome. So event E, the family of 2 girls. The family of 2 girls. So we got P of E. So the family of 2 girls. So we got 1 girl, 2 girl. So this one right here and this one right here. So that's one is so 3 out of 8. So the family of 2 girls. So that's possible 3. Or the family has no boys. It's mean girl 1, girl 2, girl 3. So possible only 1. So right here. So P of A is 1, 8. So for another example, probability experiment, the natural tech test with the 3 question, 2 of question, multiple choice, and last one is 2 or 4 question. For example, we have possible for 2 for that. So we have we can go. So this one correct, wrong, wrong, and we can go with this. So this one correct two, one, two, one, three, one, two. Okay, two wrong. So two, two, two. So in here we have this one multiple choice. One C three W three C three W three C three W three and hold on. Let me try to erase all this. I try to make smallest for easy. So C3 W3. Okay, I want to make more room. 3 W3 C3 W3 C3 W3 C3 W3 C3 W3 and C3 W3 C3 W3 C3 W3. So I want to make that too far for that. And we can see this. Correct, correct, two, correct, three. And correct, correct, two, and three. And we keep going for that. So C1, C2, C3, C1, C2, W3, C1, C2, W3. So, and then this one is C1, W2, and C3. So C1, W2, C3, and C1, W2, and W3, and etc. And to the end, this one is 1, 2, 3. So we can, so now we can total up. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, and 18. So this one an 18 outcome. Outcome. So for event, you need to get the 3 question correct. So 3 questions for correct. So P of E equal P of C1, C2, and C3. So as we can see this, so this one, just only one. So this one is 1 over 18. And for this, not to get a 3 question is incorrect. So which one is not incorrect? This one is incorrect. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Actually, incorrect. Oh, I got 3 incorrect. So right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We have 4. So P of 4, 4 over 18. And the last question is incorrect. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 9. So P of L, P of L is 9, 18. So this one is 1/2. So we got probabilities rule. So for the P of E as greater than or equal to 0 or less than 1, and P of E right here is 0. So this one, so impossible event. Or E will never happen. And look like a lot of, right? So we have P E equal 1. So this one, E will always happen. Suddenly, certain. Or we can have a dice. So we have 6 dice. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we should win a 6 way for this. So this one is the win. So complement of events. So P of E is minus P of E equal 1 minus P of E bar. So this one we can say is 1 minus 0.3. So this one right here. So this one is 0.7. So in here, E bar is not E. E is Democrat, for example. So Democrat. So E bar, not a Democrat. 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 This could be happen. So we can say we can draw as a number line. So we have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 0, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Or we can go all the way up to 100. So at 0 over here, so we have none. So E bar, that is none. We can have this, we can have this, or etc. But as zero, that's it, we have none. So this is n of 4.1.